All right, here is an Aegis creative unboxing. Let's see what we got. Don't want to stab the contents. All right, here we go. What do we got? Ooh, very nice. Very safely packed. I really like that. Redo stickers, plus surprise. Okay. Nice. Okay, some blank dice. Excellent. Very well packaged. Very impressed. Oh, the OP kit. Let's check this out. Check out this OP kit. Ooh, those are very nice. Those feel good. Nice. Oh yeah, these look really good. Feel really good too. Nice. That is the 2021 Q1 OP kit from A Renewed Hope. Excellent. Interesting. Oh, so cool. Look at these guys. Oh, for after they get defeated. Oh, that's cool. I really like that. Nice. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that feels good. It's like a thick card. Yeah, metal. Baby Luke switching to a grown-up Luke. Spot glass cards. Yeah, so cool. That is awesome. All right, let's see what else we got. And there's Faltering Allegiances. Oh, wow, these feel really good. They look great too. Awesome. Very nice. Ooh. Charitable Forces draft kit characters. Ooh, they're like thick, full art ones. That's fun. Nice. Here are the dice for. Is this all the dice or FA dice? Nice. There's my Rebel snipers. X-Wing dice, awesome. And good. Okay, yep, blank down there. Oh man, too old to select this. Okay. All right, let's see what's in this guy here. We have a redemption set. Oh, it feels heavy. Let's check it out. Ha! Look at that. Wow. Look at oh, what a crunch there. Nice. Those look so good. Wow. Those look really good. Nice. They look great. So those are stickers that got crunched last time. What's in here? That's fun. All right. Oh, no. Those are cool. All right. Overall, these Aegis dice are super nice. The stickers look really good. Placement looks really nice. Color looks good. I'm really happy with them. And it was very good, safe shipping, very professionally packed. So, would recommend.